Welcome to Module 1, Introduction to the World of Data Content. If you're just starting out in data science, analytics, or even curious about how data powers the world, you're in the right place. This module is your warm-up, your foundation, your gateway into the vast universe of data. And don't worry, we're going to keep things simple, real, and relatable. So, what exactly will you learn in this module? Let me give you a quick tour. First up, Lesson 1. What is data? You'll discover how data shows up in your everyday life, from checking mobile money to browsing social media. We break it down using simple stories and examples you already know. Lesson 2 takes it further. Structured versus unstructured data. You'll understand the two main types of data, why both matter, and how they impact the way we organize and analyze information. Think of spreadsheets versus voice notes. You'll never see them the same way again. Then comes Lesson 3. Common terminologies in the world of data. We break down buzzwords like database, data lake, data mining, machine learning, all in plain language with real-world analogies. You'll finally feel like you understand the lingo. Lesson 4. Real-world examples of data in action. You'll explore how data is used in business, healthcare, agriculture, and even your own phone through relatable stories and real impact. And finally, Lesson 5. Roles in the data world. You'll meet the three key professionals in the data space: the data analyst, data scientist, and data engineer. We show you how they work together, where they differ, and which one might be right for you. By the end of this module, you won't just understand data, you'll be ready to dive deeper with confidence. Thanks for choosing to learn with DKDS Analytics. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any lessons, and let's start building your data journey together. See you in Lesson 1.